Hello everybody, good evening. I am going to teach you today how to find the square of a two-digit number in a easy way. You all know that square of a number is computed by multiplying the number with the same number. For example, square of 4 is 4 into 4, 16. Square of 9, 9 into 9, 81. Square of 11, 11 into 11, 121. But it's not easy as we proceed with the larger number. The larger is the number, it's more difficult to find the square of that number because we have a problem or we don't remember the multiplication table of larger number. Therefore, I have developed a formula, or you can say a way to find the square of a two-digit number. Now the formula. If x is the digit at tens place and y is the digit at the unit place, then the formula for square of the number is equal to 10 into x whole square plus 20 into x into y plus square of y, which is equal to 100 into square of x plus 20 into x into y plus square of y. This is the formula for square of a number. Now for those who don't have the knowledge of algebra, that is if they don't know x and y, for them the formula can be written in words. That is, square of a number is equal to 100 multiplied by square of the digit at tens place plus 20 multiplied by digit at tens place into digit at unit place plus square of digit at unit place. Okay, now I will take few examples and I'll show you how to find out the square root by using this formula. Please note that the above formula which I have given you can be used only for square of two-digit numbers. So now I will show you with some examples how to use this formula to find the square of any two-digit number. Example 1. Let us say we will find the square root of 19. Here the tens digit is 1 and unit digit is 9. So we use the formula, the square of number, that is 19 square is equal to 100 into square of 1 plus 20 into 1 into 9 plus square of 9, which becomes 100. 20 multiplied by 9 multiplied by 1 becomes 180, and square of 9 is 81. If you add 100 plus 180, 280 plus 81 is 361. That is square of 19 is equal to 361. Example 2. Let us take little bigger number. Let us say square of 27. Here the digit at tens place is 2 and digit at unit place is 7. So square of 27 is equal to 100 multiplied by square of 2 plus 20 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 7 plus square of 7, which becomes 100 multiplied by 2 square, that is 4, becomes 400, plus 20 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 7 becomes 280, and square of 7 is 49. So 400 plus 280 plus 49 becomes 729. So square of 27 is equal to 729. Example 3. Now let us take even larger number, that is square of 93. In this number 93, the digit at tens place is 9 and digit at unit place is 3. So square of 93 becomes 100 into square of 9 plus 20 multiplied by 9 multiplied by 3 plus square of 3, which becomes 100 multiplied by 81 plus 20 multiplied by 9 multiplied by 3 becomes 540 plus square of 3 is 9. Now again it becomes 8100 plus 540 plus 9. If you sum up these three, you get 8649. So square of 93 is equal to 8649. So hope you all will like this video. If you have any doubt, then you may write your comment in the comment box down below. Thank you.